Okay, y'all. Don't know why in a world it always seems to be timing chain videos I have to do. We got a 2013 S550 twin turbo car here. 121,000 miles. It always had this little when it was idling. You know, we put 40,000 miles on this car. If it was an issue, we would have known by now. So I got her down this far, and let me tell you, this is not what you want to do on your first video time in a car. But, right? I don't know how well that's noticeable in the video, but that's the source of our noise right there. So I got this big steaming box of crap from Myrtle Beach Automotive. We got, I guess those are chains, tensioners, assorted guide rails, gasket material, their blue Kool-Aid stuff. Now, if you're noticing that a lot of this looks like Chrysler 2.7 stuff, it does look a lot like 2.7 stuff, but, you know, fancier because it's on a freaking Mercedes. I guess this is another tensioner, I don't know. Yeah. Chain tensioner. So if you were going to do this whole job, this is all the stuffs that come with it. I guess these are two, maybe three chains, I don't know. I haven't got the timing cover completely off of it yet, but I got the, there's one of them, where's the other one? There. Yeah. Timing cover's off. Now, one thing to note is the timing cover bolts on these stupid cars are aluminum. And on these, there was a blue paint dot on the heads of them. But we've got all our intake, turbo piping, and other such crap. Oil filter housing, radiator hose, fan, you know, all that good stuff. And once you get the radiator and shit out of this car, it's not terrible to work on. What I say this was, it is a 27 mil on the old crankshaft bolt, no puller required. It just slipped right off because it's keyed. It's not, you know, a piece of crap. Well, it is a piece of crap, but I got two hidden bolts there and there to be dealing with. Well, I don't know that one's all that hidden, but I think I got the rest of the perimeter bolts out. I just got to start pulling shit loose from this thing because I think this is all one casting that holds this idler AC compressor. Got your alternator way down in the down over here. And it's got, I'm going to tell you right now, it's got a lot of little biodegradable plastic lines that are going to break. This isn't any big deal because you can get that crummy little clamp off of there and wherever the other end of it is at the moment. You know, you can just put a piece of hard line in and clamp it on both sides. It'll still snap into its little holder, you know, like so, and all that good fun horse shit. Alright, that's apparently got a hose on it down in there. Yeah, it does. So I'm just going to see if I can flex that out of the way. Get this timing cover off, and I don't know. I think there might be specialty tools involved here. I don't know. I'm going to try to do it without the specialty tools. We'll see. Because they want this thing done and out of here so we can sell this piece of crap and get on with our lives. Alright, let me see if I can upload this. Old lube tubes changed everything. But yeah, this is the most intricate engine I've ever had to work on. Doing the timing on this is like a BMW times 2. Alright. If I can help anybody or they have any questions, just let me know.